Catch those styling tips. You better get this good teaching.
Yeah.
Welcome back to the Unboxing Fall series. This is video 2, part 2. Get into it. If you missed the first video, what are you doing, girl? The link is in the description box below. Catch up. You have 2 videos to watch now. Get on it. First video was full of styling tips, very affordable ways to elevate your fashion wardrobe, especially for fall. I unboxed some goodies, some real good goodies that'll carry you not just through fall, but all the way back around to summer next year. So get into that. Those styling tips will bless your life and your wardrobe. We're going to move on to what I got from H&M, and I'm going to style these pieces up so you can see how fall can be more stylish and not just trendy. You can also make these pieces your own by working them into your wardrobe to express your own personal style, because that is really the point. When you look like you feel better and you feel good when you step out into the world with your most confident self. So let's get into it. This is what UPS did to the box. It was all towed up, and I don't appreciate that. Let's see if everything made it to the house, okay? All right, first, we got some cute stuff. Ooh. Oh yeah, this would definitely take us to summer. I saw this and was like, I love color. I want more patterns in my wardrobe. So I have been working on that this year. And this gorgeous fall floral boho inspired kind of chic dress is very light and airy. This is exactly what I'm looking for. It has a little spaghetti strap, so of course you can throw a blazer or a crop jacket, or you can edge it up with a good biker-esque jacket, or if you have a really cute denim jacket that's like the acid wash, the old worn in leather bomber. How that will look with this. Now I got this in a medium. This is from the H&M edition collection. The peach color goes great with my skin tone. I love corals and peaches. Of course, you can wear tights under here for those cooler nights if you're going out with that little crop situation. Crop trenches are back and giving us all that we need for is that fashion zhuzh. Of course, it'd be cute with some boots, knee-high boot up under here with a slingback, a mule with a little shorter heel for comfort, trancing around at night, getting all into the things in the fall, things, the gatherings and get-togethers. Super cute. Love. Next, we have this cute little blouse. The ruffled neck, high neck thing is also a good trending detail. It is sheer. That is also trending. It's an oversized tunic type shirt. And this thing looks huge. This is a medium. Well, anyway, it has the bell, a ruffle sleeve on it. Super cute. I love the graphics in it. Of course, I'm looking for patterns. I don't want a more muted base layer. I'm really looking for patterns and florals to put under something so that pattern and that little extra detail to the outfit can be shown through the pattern. So if I was to wear a blazer over this, that sleeve would peek out nicely, covering the hand. That is very chic and cool girl to me. I love the way that it feels on. So a blazer is what I was looking for with this, and even an oversized bomber jacket will go great with this, with a mini skirt or a very long to the floor, down to the ground skirt. That would be cute too. So you can also dress this up in denim, or you can go real elegant with a leather skirt. I'm looking for that, a nice A-line or a slimline, a leather skirt. That would be super cute. Tuck it in the front. Let it be longer in the back for a little high-low effect. I got the styling tips. Something more streamlined for the suiting. I love suiting for fall. The whole Saint Laurent of it all. I love a good strong padded shoulder pads on anything. Give me a good blazer. It acts as a light jacket, but bringing more fashion into it. It's so versatile. And I got this checkered. It has a good padded shoulder in it. It is a shorter double-breasted blazer, so the fit on it is nicer. I like a double-breasted blazer to give more cinching in the waist. If I go single-breasted, I go oversized. So the drape on it is a little bit more dramatic and seems more intentional instead of looking sloppy and unkept. This blazer is lined, so it'll probably keep me pretty warm when the sun goes down, because we know how fall is. It's kind of warm in the daytime, and then as soon as that sun drops out of the sky, baby, the chill comes in and rattle your bones. I have a blazer that's sort of like this print, but it's way too big. I've lost a little bit of weight this past year, and so when I did my closet edit to see what I needed before I went shopping, also look through to see how I want to look this fall and what types of look I want to really exude when I get dressed and go out. There are certain ways things are styled that really resonated to me that I saw going down the runway. So I wanted to incorporate that into my wardrobe and make it my own, of course, with my own personal touches. So that's what the whole idea here is when you are flipping your closet, so to speak. This is a heavy duty blazer. It is textured. It has this chevron type weaving in the fabric. I love that. Of course, it's a padded shoulder. It is a proper blazer, proper double-breasted, and with the slit in the back. The other blazer did not have that. Of course, this costs a little bit more. The construction on it is so nice. This says London. The classic gold buttons that everyone is tired of, but that's okay. That was a great compromise for me. I ain't mad at it. This is a navy blue. I do not have a good navy blue blazer, but I do now. Welcome. Last piece. Did I get some more hair? I am in search for some good cardigans. I may have two in my entire wardrobe, and I really wanted a nice soft cardigan. And this cute little cardigan, very casual, something I can throw on but look like I tried when I'm going shopping, grocery shopping, running errands, a good coffee run, or if I want to run to a workspace, kind of get out the house to go and work in a different environment. Just kind of switch up your environment from working around the house. If you are a work at home person, this also will keep you warm because it could be cooler inside when you go to those public places. Goes with everything, of course. Denim leather, a good old midi denim skirt. Yes, cool girl aesthetic. Thank goodness I did receive my whole order, even though that box was completely busted open. UPS, Lord have mercy. I'm gonna pray for you, UPS. So that was my H&M Fall finds and some really cute styling tips that you can use for your own wardrobe and also take with you when you go shopping. I believe most of these items are still available, so get on it. This is the time for your fall wardrobe prep and get it all together so you don't have to think about it later. And when you get that invite, you don't have to fish around with, oh, what am I going to wear? Just go right to your closet, or you can reference this video. Thank you for stopping by and hanging out with me for a little bit, girl. I appreciate it. And I will see you in the next part in this unboxing fall series. Bye.
Yeah.